Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all my dear students. Your drawing teacher from IYS School for class 1. Today I am taking your class 1 and our topic is object drawing. Okay, and here are the some tips for object drawing. Here are the some tips for object drawing. Okay, so you know about drawing. What is drawing? Drawing is an art. Okay, here are the first tips. Availability of complete drawing kit is must. What is the meaning? It's mean you have your complete geometry box with you. We should keep your color box, stationery box with you. Okay, now the next is use a sharp pencil for drawing. When you will draw any diagram, your pencil should be sharp. Okay, now the next is drawing should be clean, clear and neat. Next tip is each picture should be drawn in the correct proportion. And the last is use the space of the page provided for drawing properly as per requirement. Okay, here are the some tips for you. When you will draw any object, some point must be keep in mind while sketching the picture. Here are the tips. Take a screenshot. These are the tips which is helpful for you when you will draw any picture in your copy. Availability of complete drawing kit is must. Use a sharp pencil for drawing. Drawing should be clean, clear and neat. Each picture should be drawn in the correct proportional and use the space of the page provided for drawing properly as per requirement. What is the meaning? You will measure it any diagram correctly. Then you will draw it in correct proportion. That's mean you must draw diagram at the center of the page. Okay students, before starting today's lecture, I have some important instructions for you. Kindly follow them. Be attentive and listen carefully. Feed your ID and password properly with your name and class. That will help us to mark your attendance. You all must attend the class because 100% attendance is compulsory and your attendance will be marked. So be careful about attendance. Take care of time for attending class. Homework should be done in your fair drawing copy. If there is any disconnectivity during class, try to join again within 3 to 5 minutes. If you have any question, then ask in chat box. Keep practice copy, drawing book and stationery box along with you. These are the instructions. Try to follow them. Okay. So these are the tips that take screenshot. Okay. Now the next is object drawing. What is object drawing? Okay. Object drawing is a picture created with pen, markers, crayons or other tools of a thing that can be seen. Different types of drawing describe different types of content. Okay. Now I am going, okay. When you will draw any diagram, you have your sharp pencil. Okay. When you will draw any picture, you must have these things. Sharp pencil, eraser, sharpener, and ruler. Okay, for measurement and your practice copy, color pencil and your book art and handwork one. Okay, okay, these are your resource materials. Okay, these are resource materials. When you will draw any diagram, you must have your these things: sharp pencil, eraser, sharpener, ruler, your book, practice copy and color pencil with pointed nib. Okay, now, introduction. Okay, students, I am going to introduce today's topic by asking question. Okay, if you know the answer, you can give me answer in chat box or by hand raise. Okay, मैं आपको introduction में questions करूँगी और आपको उसके answer आते होंगे तो आप hand raise करके भी मुझे बता सकते हैं और you can also use chat box. Okay, students, so are you ready? Okay, now the first question is how is a country identified? Hurry up, students. Give me answer in chat box and by hand raise. If you know the answer, so give me answer in chat box or by hand raise. Okay, how is country identified? Okay, हम कैसे किसी भी country को identify कर सकते हैं? Hurry up. Give me answer. Okay, by map. No. Minha Fatma. Manal Farooq. Yes, flag. Very good. And question number 2. What is the color of Pakistani flag? Hurry up. Hurry up. Give me answer. How we identify uh, country. Okay, how is the country identified and what is the color of Pakistani flag? Okay, Nabia, unmute yourself and give me answer. Hurry up. How is the country identified? Hurry up.
Green.
Yes, Nabia.
Green.
Okay, Pakistani flag is green. Okay, good, very good. Okay, any other? Yes, hurry up. Yes, Ramla, good, very good. Pakistani flag color is green and Hareem Naveed, green color. Okay, Huria Fatma, green and white, very good. Irha Wajid, very good. Minha, okay, Minha, Minal, Anabia, very good. Pakistani flag color is green and white. And how is the country identified? Okay, we can identify a country by flag. Okay, हम किसी भी country को कैसे पहचान सकते हैं? उसका flag देखकर. Okay, good. Now the next question. What is the way to enter in your house? Okay, give me answer in chat box right now. Hurry up. What is the way to enter in your house? Hurry up. What is the way to enter in your house? आप अपने house में कैसे आते हैं? Amna, very good. By door. Anabia, Minha Fatma, very good. Manal Farooq, very good. Very good students. Bariha Zahid, very good. Okay. Uh, by door, we can enter our house by door. Okay, what is the way to enter in your house? By door. Very good. Now, the next question is, what do we call the pocket in which a postman deliver a letter in? Okay, hurry up, give me answer. Okay, hurry up, beta, give me answer in chat box. What do we call the pocket in which a postman delivers a letter in? किसमें letter लाते postman? Yes. Hurry up. Yes, Farida Zaid. Very good. Envelope. Yes. Amna. Barida. Furia. Ramin. Manal Farooq. Very good. Envelope. So the answer is envelope. Very good, students. Now, the last question. Which thing we use for traveling? Okay. Which thing we use for traveling and has 5 seats and 4 wheels? Okay, hurry up. It's so simple, very easy. Yes, Amna Shahid, Manal Farooq, Irfa. Yes, the answer is car. Ramin Irfan, very good. Ilha Wajid, car. Very good. The answer is car. Okay. Which thing we use for traveling and has 5 seats and 4 wheels? Car. Okay. So in object drawing, today's topic is flag. Okay. First topic is flag, door, envelope, and car. Okay. Now, okay, students, take your rough copy, pencil, ruler, and let's start drawing with me. Okay, here are the some steps for draw flag. Okay, take a screenshot of all steps. Okay, which are helpful for you. Okay, in step number 1, what will you do in step number 1 for making flag? Okay, okay, in for step number 1. In step number 1, draw a 3-inch triangle shape. Okay, this is rectangle shape. Sorry, rectangle shape. Draw a 3-inch rectangle shape. Okay, this is the rectangle shape. For flag, draw a 3-inch rectangle shape. Okay, by the help of the ruler, then make a 1-inch line on the left side. Okay. For flag, in step number 1, what will you do? Firstly, draw a 3-inch. Okay, this one shows inch. Okay, draw a 3-inch rectangle shape. This is rectangle shape. Okay, in rectangle shapes, two sides. Okay, two upper sides are equal and to this left and right side are equal. Okay, so draw a 3-inch rectangle. Hurry up, students. मेरे साथ draw करें. Draw a 3-inch rectangle shape. Then make a 1 inch line on left side. Okay. In step number 2, draw a moon and star with the help of circle in right side triangle. Okay, in the right side of the triangle shape, draw a moon. Okay, this is slightly curved line. Firstly, draw a dotted line of circle. Okay, inside the circle, draw a slightly curved line for moon. Okay, then draw star. Okay, star has 5 corners. Okay, in step number 1, what will you do? You will draw a rectangle shape. Okay, this is rectangle shape, not square shape. Okay, draw 3-inch rectangle shape, then draw a straight line on the left side. Okay, left side 1 inch. Okay, this line is 1 inch. Okay, in step number 2, okay, draw a moon and star with the help of circle in right side rectangle. Okay, got it? In step number 3, okay, in step number 3, draw a 4-inch straight line. Okay, draw a 4-inch straight line on the side of the rectangle. Okay, this is rectangle. Okay, on this side, draw a 4-inch two lines. Okay, for stick. Okay, for the stick of flag, draw a 4-inch straight line. Okay, draw a line of the left side of the rectangle and join it. Okay, then at the below, draw a small rectangles lines. Okay, for stand. Okay. Okay, in step number 1, draw a 3-inch rectangle shape. Okay, then make 1-inch line on the left side. Okay, this is your step number 1. In step number 2, what will you do? You will draw a dotted circle. Okay, in circle, draw a slightly curved line. Okay, curved line is not a straight line. ये आप देख रहे हैं, ये थोड़ी सी कर्व लाइन है. ठीक है, थोड़ी सी टेढ़ी है, कर्व लाइन. ओके, ड्रॉ अ moon and star with the help of circle in right side. Okay, draw a 4-inch straight line on the side of rectangle. Draw a line parallel to the left side of the rectangle and join it. Okay, this is the steps for flag. Okay, take a screenshot, hurry up, and you can see on your screen, this is the colorful picture of flag. Okay, this is the colorful picture of Pakistani flag. You can see on your screen. Okay, okay, on the right side of the rectangle, do green color. Okay, and this side should be white. Okay, for stick and stand, do brown color. Okay, this is the colorful picture of Pakistani flag. Observe it very carefully and take a screenshot. Okay, and do what Sam has in your copy. Okay, now the next topic is steps to draw door. Okay, now our next topic in object drawing is door. Okay, here are the some steps. Steps number 1, draw 3 parallel line of 3-inch length and 1-inch width each. Okay, draw 3 lines. Okay, draw 3 lines of 3 inches. Okay, draw 3 lines. Okay, like that, A, B, and C. Draw 3 lines, and these 3 lines should be 3 inches. Okay, and the distance between these 2 lines should be 1 inch. Okay, firstly make a straight line of 3 inch. Okay, then draw second line. Okay, 3 inch, and the distance between these 2 lines should be 1 inch. Okay, measure it by the help of ruler. Okay, be careful about the measurement. Okay, then draw another line. Okay, this line also 3 inch. Okay, this line should be 3 inch, and the distance between these 2 lines should be 1 inch. Okay, so step number 1 for door. Step number 1, draw 3 parallel line. Okay, draw 3 lines of 3 centimeter length and 1 inch width. Okay, each. Next, step number 2, draw these 3 lines at the upper side. Okay, draw the straight line on the upper side of these 3 lines. Okay, I'm repeating. First of all, draw 3 lines. Okay, draw 3 lines of 3 inch. Okay, these 3 lines are 3 inch, should be 3 inch. Okay, the distance between this line should be 1 inch. Okay, when you will draw, so draw a straight line on the upper side of these three lines. Okay, आपने ये 3 इंच की लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है, ठीक है, और फर्स्ट और सेकंड लाइन का जो डिस्टेंस होगा, फासला होगा, वो कितना होगा, 1 इंच. ओके, फिर आपने इसके ऊपर एक स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है. ओके, ड्रॉ स्ट्रेट लाइन. ओके, draw straight line on these three lines. Okay, now step number 3. Okay, step number 3, draw a 3-inch straight line. Okay, draw a 3-inch straight line at the bottom of these three lines. Okay, in second step, draw a line at the top of the tree line. Okay, and in step number 3, okay, in step number 3, draw 3-inch straight line at the bottom of these three lines. Okay, then draw a log. Okay, then draw a log in the middle of this lines. Okay, okay, I'm repeating. First of all, draw three lines of 3 inches. Okay, and the distance between this line should be 1 inch. Okay, then draw a straight line at the top of the tree line. Okay, now the next, draw 3 straight line at the bottom of these 3 lines. Then draw a log. This is the log of the door. Okay, draw a log in the middle of the line. Okay, now you can see on your screen, this is the full, completely and colorful picture of door. Okay, observe it very carefully and take a screenshot. Okay, first of all, draw three lines. Okay, then draw a line on the upper side and the bottom. Okay, then draw a log. Okay, and do brown color. You can do also silver color. Okay, this is the colorful picture of door. Okay, now the next object, steps to draw envelope. Okay, now the next object is envelope. Listen very carefully and take screenshots of all steps which I have shared with you. Okay, step number 1. This step number 1 you can see on your screen. Okay, first of all, draw a rectangle. Okay, this is rectangle. Rectangle shape में क्या होता है, जो दो upper line होती है वो equal होती है. Okay, और जो left और right side, आप as you can see on your screen, this left and right side should be equal. Okay, इसमें rectangle में 2 lines equal होती है, जबकि square में 4 lines equal होती है. ठीक है, got it? So in the step number 1 for envelope, draw a rectangle. Okay, draw a rectangle, upper and lower line. Upper and bottom line should be 3 inches. Okay, this line and this line, upper and lower line should be 3 inches. Okay, and this left and right side, okay, should be 2 inches. Okay, draw a line, straight line, and this line should be 2 inches. Okay, draw straight line on both sides of the upper and lower lines. It should be 2 inches. Okay, for envelope, step number 1, draw a rectangle. Upper and lower line will be 3 inches, and this both sides should be 2 inches. Okay. In step number 2, okay, in step number 2, draw a slightly tilt line. Okay, inside the envelope, draw a triangle. Okay, okay, you can see on your screen. Okay, observe it very carefully. This is a rectangle. Okay, this shape is rectangle. Okay, so draw this slightly tilt line. Okay, it is not a straight line. Okay, this line will be 2 inches. Okay, this two both line should be 2 inches. Okay, now in step number 3, draw two lines. Okay, like that, draw two lines, and these lines are 1.5 inches. Okay, 1.5 inches, which will be diagonally joined with the triangle of the envelope. Okay, ये lines आपने सबसे पहले ये शेप ड्रॉ कर ली ट्रायंगल, और फिर आपने इस तरह से लाइन ड्रॉ की और ये ज्वाइन कर दी ट्रायंगल के साथ. ओके, दिस आर द स्टेप्स फॉर एनवलप. टेक स्क्रीनशॉट. ओके, in first step, draw a rectangle. Okay, in first step, draw a rectangle. The upper line should be 3 inches and the also bottom line 3 inches. Upper and lower line should be 3 inches, and these two straight line on both sides, draw two straight line on both sides, it will be 2 inches. Okay, in step number 2, inside the envelope draw a triangle of 2 inches. Okay, then step number 3, draw two lines of 1.5 inches which will be diagonally joined with the triangle of the envelope. Okay, as you can see on your screen, this is the colorful picture of envelope. Okay, first of all make a rectangle shape, then inside the rectangle uh, draw a triangle shape. Okay, then draw lines like that way. Okay, on both sides. Okay, this is the colorful picture of envelope. You can see on your screen, take a screenshot. Okay, you can also do blue color, रेड कलर, पिंक कलर, ओके, विच यू लाइक द मोस्ट. ओके, जो आपको कलर पसंद हो आप एनवेलप में वो कलर कर सकते हैं. बी केयरफुल अबाउट कलर्स. ओके, बी केयरफुल अबाउट कलर because by coloring you can enhance the beauty of any object. Okay, so कलर्स बहुत अच्छे करने हैं आपने कि वाइट स्पेस नजर ना आए. ठीक है, बी केयरफुल अबाउट कलर. ओके, एंड डोंट यूज डार्क ब्लैक लाइन. ओके, डोंट यूज डार्क ब्लैक लाइन. Okay, your pencil should be sharp and pointed. Okay, now the next is steps to draw car. Here are the steps for making car. Okay, in first steps, okay, in first step what will you do? Draw a straight line of 4 centimeter. Okay, by the help of the ruler you can draw a straight line of 4 centimeter. Okay, draw a straight line of 4 centimeter. This line should be 4 centimeter. Okay, then draw slightly tilt line of 1 centimeter on both sides. Okay, for car draw a straight line. Okay, straight line 4 centimeter. Okay, then draw slightly tilt line on both sides of 1 centimeter. Okay, in step number 2, draw a straight line on both sides. Okay, draw a straight line on both sides, and this line will be 2 centimeter. Okay, draw from the upper line. Okay, from this upper line draw another straight line, and this line should be 2 centimeter. Okay, आपने measurement करके सारी pictures को draw करना है. Okay, so first of all draw a straight line. Okay, 4 centimeter. Then draw a slightly tilt line. Okay, you can see on your screen, this is the tilt line. This line is not a straight line. Okay, you can see on your screen, this is the in first step draw a straight line of 4 centimeter. Okay, then draw slightly tilt line on both sides of 1 centimeter. Okay, in step number 2, okay, take a screenshot of all steps. In step number 2, draw a straight line on both sides of 2 centimeter. Okay, draw a straight line on both sides of 2 centimeter. From upper line, draw another straight line. As you can see on your screen, okay, draw a line. Okay, draw a line on both sides 2 centimeter, and from the upper line, this upper line 2 centimeter, draw another straight line. Okay, draw another straight line on both sides 2 centimeter. Okay, this is the 2 steps for making card. Take a screenshot. Okay, hurry up, take a screenshot. Okay, and the last step number 3. Okay, step number 3, what will you do? Draw a 2 circle. Okay, draw a 2 circle for wheel. Okay, draw a 2 circle shape for wheel. Okay, on both sides. Okay, and this line, draw a line. Okay, this is straight line, join this another line, and this line should be 2 centimeter on both sides. Okay, and the distance between two wheels. Okay, and the distance between two wheels should be 3 centimeter. Okay, got it. This is the steps for making car. Okay, take a screenshot. By screenshot you can easily draw picture in your copy. Okay, here are the steps. Okay, in first steps, draw a straight line of 4 centimeter. Okay, next, draw a slightly tilt line on both sides of 1 centimeter. Then, from the upper line, from this upper line, draw another straight line on both sides. Okay, students, of 2 centimeter. Okay, then draw a wheel. Okay, then draw two wheels. Okay, then draw two wheels by the help of circle. Okay, and join this line 2 centimeter, and the distance between these two wheels should be 3 centimeter. Okay. Okay, as you can see on your screen, this is the colorful picture of car. Okay, take a screenshot, hurry up. Okay, conclusion. Okay, what we have learned today. Okay, flag, how to draw flag. Okay, a green color in the right side of the triangle. Okay, do green color in the right side of the triangle and white color in left side. Okay, ग्रीन कलर आपने राइट साइड की तरफ करना है और व्हाइट कलर आपने लेफ्ट साइड की तरफ. ओके, देन यू कैन डू सिल्वर एंड वाइट कलर इन मून एंड स्टार. आप मून और स्टार में सिल्वर और वाइट कलर यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, एंड देन डू ब्राउन कलर इन दिस लाइन. ओके, do brown color in stand. Okay, and stick. Okay, this is the uh, picture of flag. As you can see on your screen, flag, we have learned how to draw flag. Okay, take a screenshot. Okay, now the next, door. Okay, door, do brown color in the door and black in the lock. Okay, do brown color in the door and black in the lock. आपने brown color door में करना है, or you can also use silver and brown, dark brown, light brown color. Okay, and do black color in the lock. So hurry up, take a screenshot. Short. Okay, flag. Okay, this is about flag and this is about door. Now the next is envelope. Color the envelope blue. Okay, you can use blue color, you can also use pink color. Okay, light green color. Okay, red color. Okay, and be careful about the color, and आपने वाइट स्पेस को नहीं छोड़ना है, कलर्स बहुत अच्छी तरह करने. ठीक है, now the next is car. Okay, in car you can do you can use red and blue color. Okay, this is the full picture of car. Okay, students, take a screenshot, hurry up. Okay. Uh, are you ready for your home task? Okay, I am going to share with you your today's home task. Take a screenshot. Okay, question number 1, draw a Pakistani flag and color it. Okay, question number 1 is draw a Pakistani flag and color it. Question number 2, draw a door and color it. Okay. Next, question number 3, draw an envelope and color it. Okay. Now the next is draw a car and color it. Okay. And the next question, complete the pictures and color them. Okay. Page number 1 and 2. आपने अपनी बुक के पेज नंबर 1 and 2 पे जो आपको पिक्चर गिवन है इनकम्प्लीट, आपने उसे कंप्लीट करना है और उसमें कलर करने हैं. ओके, दिस इज योर बुक वर्क. ओके, एंड दिस 4 क्वेश्चन you will do in your copy. ओके, जैसे लास्ट टाइम मैंने आपको कॉपी की प्रेजेंटेशन बताई थी, आप ड्रॉ करेंगे लाइंस ऑन बोथ साइड और सेंटर ऑफ द पेज यू विल ड्रॉ अ बॉक्स. ओके, आपने कॉपी के सेंटर में बॉक्स को ड्रॉ करना है और बॉक्स के अंदर आपने ये सारी पिक्चर ड्रॉ करनी है. ठीक है, दिस इज योर होमवर्क. टेक स्क्रीनशॉट, हरी अप. Question number 1, draw a Pakistani flag and color it. Question number 2, draw a door and color it. Question number 3, draw an envelope and color it. Question number 4, draw a car and color it. And this is your book work. Complete the pictures on and color them. Okay, page number 1 and 2. This is your today's homework. Okay, take screenshot, hurry up. And this is the end from my side. Allah Hafiz and take care. Okay, students.